Hey there, Facebook land, Julie from Canine Rescue Connection coming at you today. We have another big transport from the Mexican border on up to Bakersfield. We've got this one here. I call him Gordo. He's a nice big gentle giant. Yeah, yes you are. Then we got this one right here, little mangy one, but she'll be good. She'll get her all fixed up and everything. She'll be great. And then we've got two more in the back here. Let's see, got this one here. Oh, what a cutie. There he is. Hi there, all these tails wagging. Oh, so happy. And then we got this one here. This might be the sister of that big one. She's a little smaller, but she looks really similar to him. So anyway, these dogs are all from Mexico, street dogs, all dumped in a field and get picked up. And these dogs are all going to Sacramento Independent Animal Rescuers. And so Julie's signing off for now, getting on the road. You know what? Because dogs can't drive, especially in a pandemic. Take care. Bye-bye. She's swimming.
How sad is that?
Look at that, she's swimming.
But you're a good swimmer.
Yeah.